So today we had this local shop. We checked the vehicle, I think back in November. We checked it for misfire, random misfire, but the issue with this one was that it had random misfire, but the vehicle was not missing at all. And there were faulty cam and crank sensors. Change them out and fix it. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is swapping the plugs. We're swapping 1 and 3 out. At the moment, it's just a bit faster, especially how how easy it is to get into the spark plugs. If it was a little bit more difficult, I wouldn't be doing this. The thing we're going to do, we're going to pop this off, because we're also going to swap around the coils. So the reason why we're doing this, so we could know if it is an issue with the coil, or if it is an issue with the something else. So okay, this goes there, this goes here, there goes here. Okay. Let's make sure the spark plugs are nice and tight before I go forward, because I don't want to go ahead, so I put everything together and they're not tight. Always double check your work. Okay, come with me. So misfires. Let me double check, make sure I have the cables set the right way. I'm suspecting an issue with compression. This is 6, 5, 4, 3. You can see 3 lower, 3 and 1 have an issue. 2 and 1. So I think I have number 3 misfiring. It allows this one to go a little bit higher and then it slows back down. I think there's an issue with compression or between the cylinders. Just to recap on that Jeep, the misfire was on number 3 and 5, now 1 and 3. So our low cylinders, it looked like it was 5 and 3. I advised the customer that it was not covered under warranty due to the fact that another same issue. customer declined further testing. It's a good client, so I didn't charge them um, for the testing. So I wasn't able to get more information about it, but there you guys go. We do have an issue with that cylinder and another cylinder. I'm suspecting a head gasket or a issue with the cylinder head, because I guess that cylinder head was rebuilt or they bought a reman one. So there's a possibility that there might be an issue with the way it was put back, using the type of, depending on what type of parts they use.